go take down this beehive. It's pretty big. I've got a slingshot and some rocks. Aubrey has a BB gun. I think this will double as my vlog. That's okay, we can have some adventure. You guys are working on some trucks over there. Working on some trucks. Aubrey getting ready. Me and my freaking Oakleys.
How many times do you think I should pump this?
How many times have you pumped it already?
I wasn't counting, I just don't know a lot.
Well then, you're probably good.
Alright, so do it one more time for good measure. If the bees start chasing us, then you run.
If the bees start chasing us, we run. Oh no, I dropped a rock. Pick it up.
Where'd you get the rock from?
Well, in front of the light post. It's a pretty big beehive. It's up in this tree.
Really? Is that where it is?
Yeah, it's in a tree. I know. Odd.
Safety's off.
Wow. Act like you're going into war.
Where's the... Oh.
See, there it is. Can you see it yet?
Have a gun by road.
Why not? There's bees flying in and out of it. It's pretty cool. Looks like fun.
I do not
Alright,
have a gun.
Hallie. No, Aubrey, don't shoot that way. Shoot towards the property. Alright.
Look at all the bees all up in there. Mom, do you have good aim?
want to stand there. I mean, I don't care. I'm just saying.
I don't think you hit it. Oh, the rock came out of there.
I know where it came down. Oh my god.
Dude, lots of bees. We hit the beehive!
Oh my gosh. There's so many bees. There's Kate. I don't think those were bees.
Mom said it probably was.
Don't tell Mom we did this. Wait, I don't care. It's going to be on the internet. Duh.
Not this one. I got the bees coming out of the hive, I believe.
They are not happy. How would you feel if someone came and shot a rock at your house? Yeah. Guy on a motorcycle. Check out that bike. Sweet ride, dude.
Stop flying around.
No, you don't shoot it from there. Big freaking beehive. Look at all of them. They're all right where where the hole is, where the rock hit.
Trying to repair it. Shoot it again.
Huh. Alright, well, we'll try this again tomorrow. Because they're all active and stuff.
That's the point. I want to shoot it.
You're not shooting that way. I know, but if you miss, which you probably will, it might. Alright.
Can I shoot something?
Peace off.